found a place in your gentle smile, a little heaven where my heart can rest a while. You walked in softly like the morning rain, and somehow all my broken pieces felt no pain. We were so young, chasing little dreams, laughing at the stars and what love could mean. Now every road just leads me back to you, and every little thing feels beautiful and true. So hold me close and don't let go. There's something in your eyes that feels like home. Baby, we're swaying underneath the city lights, your hand in mine, and everything just feels alright. And when you softly call my name, the whole wide world just fades away. Heaven knows you're all I need tonight. I found a love that understands my soul, the kind that stays even when the nights grow cold. You see the best in every part of me, even the pieces I was scared to let you see. And if someday our hair turns silver gray, I'll still look at you the same sweet way, like the first night that our hearts aligned. And I whispered quietly, I'm glad you're mine. So take my hand and stay a while. I can live forever in your smile. Baby, we're swaying underneath the city lights, your hand in mine, and everything just feels alright. And when you softly call my name, the whole wide world just fades away. Heaven knows you're all I need tonight. Oh, time moves slow when I'm with you. Every dream is coming true. And if the stars all disappeared above, I'd still find light inside your love. Baby, we're dancing like the world has disappeared, barefoot in the silence with your heartbeat in my ears. And when I look into your eyes, I see the rest of all my life. Heaven knows you were made for me tonight. Oh, darling.